Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Ocean VPN for a fast and stable connection using the Hysteria UDP protocol. This simple guide will walk you through the installation and setup process step by step. Let's get started. Overview. Getting started with Ocean VPN. Ocean VPN offers a straightforward way to establish a VPN connection on your Android device. By using the Hysteria UDP protocol, you can often experience improved connection stability and speed. In this tutorial, we'll cover downloading and installing the app, updating resources, selecting a server, and connecting to the VPN. Step 1. Install Ocean VPN. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Ocean VPN. Tap Install to download and install the app. Step 2. Launch Ocean VPN. Once installed, open the Ocean VPN app. Step 3. Initial setup. After opening the app, tap the screen to begin the setup process. Wait for the app to automatically take you to the home screen. This might take a few moments as the app initializes. Step 4. Update resources. On the home screen, tap Update Resources. This ensures that the app has the latest server lists and configurations, which is essential for optimal performance. Wait for the resource updates to complete. This is an important step to ensure you have access to the best available servers. Step 5. Select Auto Server. Tap Auto Server. This option allows the app to automatically select the best server for your location, providing the best possible connection speed and stability. Step 6. Choose connection method and country. Tap Connection Method. From the list of available connection methods, choose a country that supports Hysteria UDP. For example, select SLAM. The availability of countries might vary, so choose one that is listed and supports the protocol. Step 7. Connect to the VPN. Tap the Connect button. Wait for a few seconds while the app establishes the VPN connection. Step 8. Verify connection. Once the connection is established, Ocean VPN will display a connected message, indicating that your VPN is active. And that's it. You've successfully set up Ocean VPN with Hysteria UDP. You can now enjoy a more secure and private internet connection on your Android device. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.